Hi everybody and welcome to the second episode of the Arduino Beginner's Guide. Last time we've chosen the board we will be working with in the near future. So today we can get started with coding and learn how an Arduino sketch is structured and write our Hello World program for microcontrollers. Let's get started. Firstly, where do we write our code? Well, there are multiple IDEs or integrated development environments that we can use. The probably most professional one is the Atmel Studio, but it's for advanced programmers, so it's not a good idea to start with this one. We will be using the Arduino IDE, which is mostly used when writing sketches for Arduino. By the way, a sketch is the program that we upload to the microcontroller. Installing the IDE is very simple and shouldn't take much time. I highly recommend installing the CH341 drivers so that your computer can recognize the connected Arduino board. You can download the files from my Google Drive. The link is in the description. Once you have installed the Arduino IDE, we can start right off with programming. But we won't write our first program ourselves. We will use a classic example, the Blink sketch. To open it, go to File, Examples, Basics and Blink. And there we have it, a simple Arduino sketch. The grey text are comments, which we will ignore for now. The interesting comment starts at line 25.
The setup function runs only once when you press reset or power the board.
If you open a new Arduino sketch, you will see two functions that are generated automatically. The first one is called setup, and as it says in the comment, it runs only once when the microcontroller is powered. In this function we configure the pins we will be working with and can put in some code that we want to be executed only once. Now let's see what is written in this function. Initialize digital pin LED built-in as an output. The function pin mode takes two parameters or arguments, the pin that we want to configure and the mode that we want it to operate in. In our case we choose the LED built-in pin to be configured as output. The LED built-in pin equals digital pin 13 on the Arduino board, and there is an LED connected to this pin internally. The parameter output means that we will apply voltage to the pin rather than listening for an incoming signal. Okay, now we know what the setup section is for. Let's move on to the second block of code, the loop function. As it says in the comment, the loop runs again and again forever, so it's endless. Usually the main code is written inside the loop. In our simple case, we have just two commands, digital write and delay. As we can know from the comment, the digital write function can write or apply a certain voltage level, high or low, to the pin we pass as the parameter to the function. For us, it means that we apply a high signal, or 5 volts, to the pin LED built in. Next, we use the delay function to let the LED stay turned on for 1 second. The delay function takes one argument which tells how long the delay should last in milliseconds. In line 35, we write the LED built-in pin low, so the LED goes off. Next, we wait 1 second and then one cycle of the loop is complete. Now everything starts again, but note that it's only the loop that runs several times. The setup is executed only once. Okay, now it's time to upload the sketch to the board. To do so, connect your Arduino to the computer. Then go on Tools and Boards. Here you have to choose the board you're working with. As I am using an Arduino Uno, I choose this option. Next, we select the port which your board is connected to. Mine was at COM9, but your port may differ. Finally, we are ready to upload the sketch. To do so, click on the Upload button. First, the code gets compiled and then uploaded. If something goes wrong, try choosing another COM port. If the upload was successful, you should see your LED blinking. This will continue until you unplug your Arduino. And that's it for today. I hope you liked this video. If so, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. In the next video, we will discuss analog pins and connect our first sensor. If you want to order an Arduino, visit my website allmakers.net. See you in the next video, and remember,
we're all makers.